What's the meaning of colic? Colic. Colic.
Colic. Colic. Colic refers to severe, often fluctuating pain in the abdomen caused by an obstruction or inflammation in the intestines. It is a common condition in infants, but can also affect adults. Symptoms include sharp abdominal pain, bloating, and nausea. Treatment options vary depending on the underlying cause, but may include medication or dietary changes. If left untreated, colic can lead to complications such as dehydration, malnutrition, and even death. It is important to seek medical attention if you or your child are experiencing symptoms of colic.